Yeah. I ain't gonna go real far. Only thing I'm worried about is this stuff. I'm worried about mowing. It's actually quite good. I'm surprised. Johnny plays track record at home. Right into him. I'll stop by the tree there.
You know what? We can leave part of this and let him show Lynn when he comes back when he goes.
The gate is still right. We didn't know how to do this at first. We said it was, but we were afraid to try it the first few times we did that. Yeah. And then you tell the motor's not even lugging.
No.
The only thing that makes it lug is really dense wet grass that's never been mowed. You know, if you cut it low and it's never been cut.
What is amazing? That's not even smart.
No, it's not bothering it a bit. It's a record Kawasaki mower engine. It has a different dash number because of the throttling that you have to remote control.
It's not special for the angle that you run it at?
No, there's nothing special about the engine.
You're supposed to say, oh yeah, it's double tap secret.
Yeah.
We're the only ones.
As far as I know, it's not. Well, I tell you, a good test is a guy bought a different motor off the internet and put it in his a while back. And he does speed stuff all day long.